All right, you're probably wondering why I'm standing next to a fire with a brand new pair of Air Jordans. Well, you're about to find out. Let's see if these are fake or not. And if they are fake, we're burning these suckers today. Let's go. All right, we're back inside. You're probably wondering why the hell was I standing outside with a pair of Jordans next to a fire? So backstory is, I found there's a big Instagrammer that's always posting early releases. And all the big blog sites, I'm not gonna name them, or I'm not gonna name the Instagrammer, they're always pushing his photos, his early stuff, things like that. Nobody associated with sneaker knockers, by the way. So they're always pushing this stuff. So I'm like, I always send them my shoes. I'm like, hey, look what I got my hands on. And I use the app check for all my shoes to make sure they're legit, or I get box pairs that I know are legit. So I reached out to this person and I said, hey, I want to buy a pair of these early releases off of you. And the person was like, yeah, for sure. Like, they're 100% legit. So I pay a lot of money for them. And so today we're going to find out if these are real or not, because if they're fake, then all these sites that don't push my stuff out, the king of early releases, are pushing out a bunch of fakes. And so you know what? Either A, I'm gonna look like an idiot, or B, we're gonna be having some fun burning a pair of fake Jordans. But if they're real, then I'm gonna look like an idiot, but whatever. All right, so here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get on the check app, and I'm gonna take some pictures and do all their process. And then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm not gonna bore you guys with me sitting here taking pictures. Basically, real quick, how you do it is you take pictures of the labels, take the stitching, you take the insole out so you get the stitching, take a bunch of pictures of the photo of the shoes, you upload it, and then in a couple of seconds they tell you what they think. So, all right, we'll be back.
5 minutes later.
All right, so just uploaded it. I don't have to do anything yet. I did like the thing where you can get like an instant decision, so this isn't gonna take long. So we're about to find out, and I didn't want to, like, again, I don't want to bore you guys, so I'm looking here at my phone. Oh, holy crap, they passed, dude. Look, so they are actually legit. So, yeah. All right, well, never mind. I guess we're not going, what the heck? Dude, I just got like a notification. Oh my God. Dude, they legitimately like reversed the decision. And we like, hold on, let me screenshot this. They legitimately like reversed the decision. Now it says not passed. We're sorry. I'm not even kidding with you guys. Look, the same freaking shoe. We will post this in the video so you can legitimately see what just happened to me. They said they were real. Now within like 30 seconds said we're sorry. And look, it's like literally, all right, that blows my mind. All right, well, you know what? We're burning a pair of fake shoes. So all you blog sites out there, you got to recognize the new king of early pairs, because the pictures that you've been posting have been fake. All right, let's go burn some damn Jordans. All right, y'all saw it. I just got sold a fake pair of Jordans. I don't even know what happened with check. They said they were real, and then they came back and said they were fake. Whatever, I don't care. Y'all see the man. I am going to 100% put my name on the line. They're fake. I'm burning these damn things. I'm not going to act like they're real. So, hey, everybody else, take notice. You're putting fake shoes out there, all right?